Patul Kadam, working as a lecturer in Ashok Ramani Polytechnic, Wata. I am teaching you subject Digital Electronics. Into that subject, first chapter is Logic Gates. Let's start the introduction of logic gates. What is definition of logic gate? What is meant by logic gates? The electronic circuit or device which is having one or more than one input and one output, that circuit is or that device is called as logic gates. Okay, there or the main basic building block of digital system is called as logic gate. Okay, the relation between input and output is defined on the basis of certain logic. Okay, there are three types of logic gates. Into that, first type is basic logic gate, second is universal or derived logic gate, third is special purpose logic gate. Into the basic logic gates, there are also three types: not logic gate, and logic gate, or logic gate. Universal logic gates. What is meant by universal or derived logic gates? The complement or inverse of basic logic gate is called as universal logic gates. Into that, there are two types: NAND logic gates, NOR logic gate. Third type of logic gate is special purpose logic gate. What is meant by special purpose logic gates? The logic gate which are designed for special application like adder, subtractor, that logic gate is called as special purpose logic gates. Into that, there are two types: XOR logic gate, XNOR logic gates. Okay, let's see the types of logic gates one by one. First type of logic gate is basic logic gate. Into that, there are three types. First type of logic gate is not logic gate. Second, and logic gate. And third is or logic gate. Third type is or logic gate. IC number of not logic gate is 7404, and logic gate 7408, and OR logic gate IC number is 7432. Every logic gate IC has 14 pins. Okay. Before going into the types of logic gate, basic logic gates, I want to tell the three important things of logic gates. Into the first is logic symbol. The circuit or diagrammatic representation of logic gate is called as logic symbol. Second important thing is logical equation or Boolean equation. The relationship between input and output is given by that Boolean equation or logical equations. And third important thing is truth table. What is meant by truth table? The working or operation table of logic gate is called as truth table. Okay. For the not logic gate, we are seeing the first symbol of not logic gate. Into that, not logic gate, it is having only one input. We are taking A as input and Y as output. Logical equation is Y is equal to A bar. On the basis of this logical equation, I want to define this not logic gate. The logic gate which makes the complement of input, that logic gate is called as not logic gate. This is the logic symbol. And this is the logical equation. Next part is truth table. Truth table or operating table of logic gate. Before going to the truth table, I want to define the input output possibility of this not logic gate. How to calculate input output possibility calculation is equal to 2 raised to n where n is number of inputs. NOT gate is having only one input, that's why 2 raised to 1 means input output possibilities are 2. In the digital system, we are using binary number system, that's why output is in the form of 1 and 0. 1 stands for high logic level and 0 stands for low logic level. Okay. Input strength is fixed value, means 1 and 0, like square wave or pulse wave. 1 0 1 0 form. Okay. On the basis of this, I want to calculate the truth table of this NOT logic gate. It is having input is A and output equation y is equal to A bar. Y equal to A bar. Okay. On this basis of this, I want to calculate input and output of this NOT logic gate. Okay. If the input is low, 0 complement value is 0 bar means value is 1 and 1 complement value is 0. One input is there, then output is 0. On the basis of this truth table, I want to define this NOT logic gate. Output of NOT logic gate is high when input is low and vice versa. Next is AND logic gate. First of all, I want to draw the symbol of this AND logic gate. I am defining this AND logic gate for 2 inputs. You can take for nth input also. Okay. For simplification, I am taking only 2 inputs. Let the input are A and B. Output is y is equal to A into B. On the basis of this, I want to define this AND logic gates. The logic gate which makes the multiplication of input, then that logic gate is called as AND logic gate. Input output possibility calculation. Input and output possibility calculation is equal to 2 raised to n. N are 2. 2 raised to 2 means 4. On the basis of this, I want to calculate the truth table for this. Input and here is the output. Input A, B, output is y equal to A into B. Okay. Inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. And output y is equal to A into B. On the basis of this, I want to calculate the output of this AND logic gate. 0 into 0, output is 0. 0 into 1, output is 0. Because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. And final 1 into 1, output is 1. This is called as the truth table of this AND logic gate. And last is OR logic gates. The logic gate which makes the logical additions of inputs, that logic gate is called as the OR logic gate. First, I draw the symbol of this OR logic gate. Core shape is there. A, B, y is equal to A plus B. Same input output possibility calculation for this OR gate also. Because 2 input is there, means input output possibilities are 4. Okay. Truth table. A, B, and last is y is equal to A plus B. four possibility of inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. On the basis of this logical equation, I want to calculate the output of this OR logic gate. 0 plus 0 output is 0, 0 plus 1 output is 1, 1 plus 0 output is 1, and 1 plus 1 output is 1, because this is the digital system. That's why output 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the output of this OR logic gates. On the basis of this truth table, I want to define this first, this AND gate. Output of AND logic gate is high when both the inputs are high, or output of AND logic gate is low when one of the input is low. Okay, this is called as the AND logic gate. And what is meant by OR logic gate? Output of OR logic gate is low when both the inputs are low, or another, output is high when one of the input is low or high, or when both the inputs are high. This is called as the three basic logic gates. The first is NOT, second is AND, third is OR. It makes the complement or inverse of input, it makes the logical multiplication of input, it makes the logical addition of inputs. Okay.